Hey, what's up, you guys? Chuy here, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make some gangsta ass fireworks.
What up, yeah?
Man, what you just say?
Man, what you doing?
I'm just trying to show these people how to make some fireworks, man.
Yo, this is my video. Come on.
Okay,
Come on,
I got you. It's okay, homie. It's okay.
Come on.
I got you, man. It's gangsta tonight. I'm telling you, man. I got you.
What's up? It's Hung, and I'm gonna show you how to make an Asian explosion with 3 secret ingredients.
Alright, here's the ingredients to make this Asian explosion. Sriracha, soy sauce, and cardboard. Alright, first, you take this sriracha like this, put this on like this. Take the soy sauce, put it on like this. That's good. Then you close it, and you put that fuse in, and you're done. And when you're done, it should look something like this.
Now it's time to light up this bad boy.
Yo, check out my Asian explosion.
Hey, that looks like mine. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Chuy here.
Hung here.
Crisscross.
D-Duel.
And we just want to wish you guys a Happy New Year's.
Be safe out there.
And be safe out there, man.
Yeah,
Everybody not
light
have
up
fun
your
with fireworks. You want to help me out here, buddy? Don't work. You have to cut this part because, like.
No, don't put it.
Oh, no editing. It ain't lining up, fool. Oh,
Drop your beads.
hey, say Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Me like the beans. Let's get drunk now, Mom.